Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. This will be the last video on the T-Mobile home internet. I've had it since 2021, so about 5 years now, and it was a great internet service for us. Here where we live, we do not have Spectrum or fiber or anything like that, so we have to use something like T-Mobile home internet or Starlink. I had this T-Mobile gateway in an old swamp cooler on top of the house, and we were getting about anywhere from 300 megabits per second to 500 megabits per second download. Fast forward 5 years later, in these last 2 months, it seemed like we were getting throttled to maybe around 50 megabits per second download during peak times, maybe 5 in the afternoon and on weekends. And last week, this gateway stopped working. It no longer turns on and it's completely dead. But for 5 years, this thing was in extreme heat and somewhat cold here in Southern California, so it did very well being exposed to the outside elements. So this T-Mobile gateway will now be sent back to T-Mobile today. And right on top of that same swamp cooler, we have Starlink now mounted up there. And we're going to do a quick speed test and see what kind of speeds we're getting. Now we are on the 200 megabit per second download plan, residential. And I believe right now it's about $80 a month. And the speeds are okay. So about 100 megabits per second download and 26 megabits per second upload. Now I do have it hooked up to this Nighthawk Wi-Fi 6 system. So we're going to directly connect to the Starlink and see what we get. So we're going to connect directly to the Starlink's Wi-Fi. And let's try it again. Looks like it did a lot better. 122 megabits per second download. It looks like it's going to be about 20 megabits per second upload. A little bit less than that. So 122 megabits per second download and 13 megabits per second upload. Not the best, but we don't have access to Spectrum or fiber or anything like that. It's either Spectrum or something like T-Mobile home internet or Verizon home internet. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.